Hello everybody. In this session, we are going to think about operational amplifier high frequency model. At the end of this session, student will be able to analyze high frequency model of operational amplifier and present a qualitative analysis of gain magnitude and phase angle equations. These are the contents of this session. Now let us think about high frequency model, that is high frequency AC equivalent circuit for operational amplifier. So this figure shows high frequency model or high frequency equivalent circuit for single break frequency operational amplifier. For single break frequency operational amplifier, as input signal frequency increases, its gain magnitude and phase angle are varying. Its gain magnitude decreases and phase angle increases. So this is due to combined effect of internal integrated capacitors and stray capacitors. So for single break frequency operational amplifier, the rate of change of gain is controlled and phase angle is varied due to this capacitive effect. So total capacitive effect is represented by a single capacitor at the output terminal of operational amplifier. So in this high frequency model of operational amplifier, the single capacitor is shown or connected at the output terminal, where Rho is the output resistance of operational amplifier. A into VID is the output voltage due to the input voltage. So A stands for a basic gain of operational amplifier, that is the open loop gain of operational amplifier, and VID stands for effective input voltage of operational amplifier. That is the difference input voltage, difference between voltage at non-inverting input V1 and voltage at inverting input V2. So this output voltage that is caused due to the input voltage, so that is applied to the output resistance Rho and the compensating capacitor C. So the voltage appearing across a capacitor is the final output voltage of the operational amplifier. So the voltage produced at the output, that is due to the input voltage, so that is applied to the series combination of Rho and capacitor C, and the voltage coming across capacitor C is the final output voltage of operational amplifier VO. So this C causes a gain to decrease as input signal frequency increases, because the reactance of this capacitor decreases as frequency increases. So final output voltage of operational amplifier is a voltage appearing across C. So considering high frequency model, high frequency equivalent circuit for operational amplifier, let us derive the expression for gain magnitude and phase angle for operational amplifier. So considering high frequency model of operational amplifier using a voltage divider rule, let us get the expression for output voltage of operational amplifier VO. So VO equal to, using voltage divider rule, so the reactance of capacitor minus JXC, so divided by the total impedance of Rho and C, that is Rho minus J into XC, multiplied by a total voltage applied to Rho and C. So Rho and C are acting as a voltage divider, and voltage appearing across capacitor C is the output voltage, that is a part of A into VID. Since minus J is equal to 1 upon J, and Xc, that is reactance of capacitor, is given by 1 upon 2 pi Fc. So output voltage VO equal to 1 upon J into 2 pi Fc. So divided by Rho plus 1 upon J 2 pi Fc whole multiplied by A into VID. So after simplifying this, output voltage of operational amplifier is equal to A into VID divided by 1 plus J into 2 pi F Rho into C, where Rho stands for output resistance of operational amplifier, and C is a compensating capacitor, and A is the open loop gain of operational amplifier, and VID is the effective input voltage of operational amplifier. So from this we can write the equation for open loop voltage gain as a function of a frequency. So open loop voltage gain as a function of frequency is the ratio of output voltage to the input voltage. So output voltage is VO and the input voltage is difference input voltage VID. So open loop voltage gain as a function of frequency is equal to A upon 1 plus J into 2 pi F RO into C. So let FO equal to, where FO stands for a break frequency. So break frequency of operational amplifier is equal to 1 upon 2 pi RO into C. Then the open loop gain, voltage gain as a function of frequency is equal to A upon 1 plus J into F upon FO. So gain magnitude. So from equation 1 it is seen that the voltage gain of operational amplifier is a complex number and it is a function of frequency. So it can be expressed in polar form. So open loop magnitude of open loop voltage gain as a function of frequency is equal to A upon in square root 1 plus F upon FO bracket square, and its phase angle phi as a function of frequency is equal to minus tan inverse of F upon FO. So using equation number 2a and 2b, we can plot a frequency response plot and phase angle plot, gain magnitude plot and phase angle plot. So gain magnitude can be expressed in decibel. So gain magnitude in decibel is equal to 20 log of the numerical value of the open loop gain as a function of frequency. So that is equal to 20 log of A upon in square root 1 plus F upon FO bracket square. So open loop gain as a function of frequency in decibel, so that can be expressed as 20 log of numerical value of open loop gain minus 20 log of in square root 1 plus F upon FO bracket square. Now let us go for the qualitative analysis of gain and phase angle. So from a gain magnitude equation 2a, it is seen that so at input signal frequency f equal to 0 Hz, so that is for input signal is a DC signal, for DC signal, the denominator value becomes 1. So open loop gain as a function of frequency is equal to the value of open loop gain, that is DC basic internal gain of operational amplifier. At any frequency less than FO, gain is approximately constant and it is equal to the open loop gain of operational amplifier, that is the basic DC gain of operational amplifier. So at frequency f equal to FO, FO stands for break frequency. At f equal to FO, the voltage gain of operational amplifier as a function of frequency is equal to 3 dB down, 3 dB less from its maximum value at 0 Hz. So maximum value at 0 Hz, that is the DC gain of operational amplifier. So open loop gain as a function of frequency remains constant from 0 Hz to FO. So that is the open loop bandwidth of operational amplifier. The frequency range from 0 Hz to FO, so that provides the open loop bandwidth of operational amplifier. So after FO, the open loop bandwidth, after FO, the open loop gain as a function of frequency decreases at the rate of 20 dB per decade. That is, for 10 times increase in input signal frequency, the gain decreases by 20 dB at a constant rate of 20 dB per decade. So at frequency f equal to UZB, the open loop gain as a function of frequency is equal to 0 dB, that is unity. So the frequency f equal to UZB, that is unity gain bandwidth. So for op-amp 741, it is a 1 megahertz. So at f equal to UZB, the open loop gain value is equal to 0 dB or its numerical value is 1. Now from phase angle equation 2b, it is seen that at f equal to 0 Hz, at frequency f equal to 0 Hz for DC input signal, the phase angle phi between input and output is 0. For input frequency less than FO, that is break frequency, the absolute value of the phase angle between input and output signal is less than 45 degree. For input signal frequency greater than break frequency FO, the absolute value of a phase shift or phase angle between input and output signal of operational amplifier increases towards 90 degrees. At frequency f equal to UGB, the absolute value of a phase angle at frequency f equal to unity gain bandwidth, the absolute value of phase angle is equal to 90 degrees. For a single break frequency operational amplifier, the phase angle, that is the phase shift between input and output signal, varies between 0 to minus 90 degrees. The students can pause video here and try to answer this question. What is the phase angle variation range for single break frequency operational amplifier? For single break frequency operational amplifier, as input signal frequency increases, the phase angle varies from 0 degree to maximum minus 90 degrees for a single break frequency operational amplifier. So this is the reference for this session. Thank you.